Is your Android phone slow, lagging, or freezing sometimes? Apps take too long to open. Your phone feels heavy, and everything becomes frustrating. But what if I told you there are simple settings hidden inside your Android phone that can make it feel much faster without installing any app? And this is what I'm going to show you here. In this video, I'll show you 3 important Android settings that can improve your phone speed instantly. So make sure you watch until the end, because the 3rd setting is very powerful and can make your phone run smarter. Setting number 1. Reduce animations. Let's start with the first setting. This setting helps your phone feel faster by reducing unnecessary animations into half. The user interface will feel much snappier and more responsively. Most Android phones use animations when opening apps, switching screens, or closing apps. These animations look nice, but on slower phones, they can make the device feel laggy. By reducing animation, it doesn't actually make the processor faster, but it removes the wait time between tasks. Here's how to change it. First, go to Settings of your Android, as now you can see here many lists of settings. But we will scroll down and open About Phone here. Now find Build Number of your Android. As you see here, there is Build Number. Now here we just tap on Build Number 7 times quickly until you will be notified that now you are approaching to developer mode, as you can see here below as message appear. Now, to unlock developer mode, your phone may ask for your password or PIN of your Android phone. For that, you will use your password or PIN. After that, you will see a message saying, "You are now a developer." Now you will leave there, and you will go back to Setting to search for developer options. Now go back to Settings. Open System. Then open Developer Options, as you can see now here. In Developer Options, there are many lists about developer options. Don't set something you are not aware about in Developer Options, because doing so can result into different system problems with unknown reasons. Now scroll down until you see Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. By default, they are usually set to 1x. Change all of them to 0.5x, or you can even turn them off completely. Immediately, your phone will start feeling much faster when opening apps and moving between screens.
Setting number 2, remove background app activity. Now, let's move to the second setting. Many apps continue running in the background even when you are not using them. This wastes RAM, battery, and processing power. And over time, your phone becomes slower and feel very heavy. To increase Android speed, you have to give RAM enough space of storing temporary files when the system is running, and that's why we need to remove background app activity. Here's what to do. Open Settings. In Settings list, search for App Management, here now. Then open it and search for App Lists, here above. Then you will see all apps installed in your Android, and you will select for heavy apps. Let's take example Chrome. Open it and select Data Usage Details. Then here below, you can see Background Activities is on. Now you will turn it off so that to avoid background activities. This can improve phone performance and battery.
Setting number 3. Clear system cache and junk files. Now, here is the 3rd setting that can help you to speed up your phone performance. This is one of the biggest reasons Android phones become slow. Low storage space. When your storage is almost full, your phone struggles to run smoothly. Apps become slow, the camera may lag, and updates may fail. To fix this, open Settings on your Android phone. Now, search for App Management in Setting Lists. After there, look for App Lists, here as you see. Now you will visit for every heavy app. Let's take example Chrome. We will choose it. And look for App Storage. Now you can clear system cache, as you can see here, and to free up storage.
If memory is full also, you can remove old videos, duplicate photos, unused apps, and large downloads. You can also use built-in cleaning tools on your phone. Try to keep at least several gigabytes of free space available. Your phone will feel much smoother after cleaning storage.
Here's a bonus tip. Always restart your phone at least once every few days. Restarting helps clear temporary memory and background processes. Many people never restart their phones for weeks, and that can affect performance. So those were 3 important Android settings that can help make your phone faster instantly. Try them today and let me know which one improved your phone the most. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe to Skillnova Digital for more Android tips, hidden settings, and smartphone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.